Hey guys, Shakarov here with 4 packages today in the mail. I already started a video, then I started to opening that box and it took too long, so I decided to stop the video and start a new one after trying to open the darn box. So first up, the first package I received from this year's 10-11 SPX, so rookie materials of PK Subban for the PC. And then in that box is one card, very well packaged. And that bought. Alright, it's 2 cards actually. So first up from this year's SPX, base parallel, jersey parallel, number 2 of 25 of Joe Pavelski for the PC. And second up, I received also from this year's SPX, finite rookie, numbered 49 of 99. It's my third 99 rookie of that guy, PK Subban, finite rookie. Very cool. I also have his SPX, his ice and his Spagoo so far, so it goes well for the PC chase. Let's hope I'll keep it keep going that way. Third, have that card here, also from Express Post. That's gorgeous. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Let me just take it off the case. By heart, I don't know from which year it is. Let me check. This is from 2003-2004 in the game used signature series. Triple memorabilia, a piece of jersey, a piece of glove, and a piece of pad. I think it's numbered out of 20, but I'm not sure. Of Jacques Plante. So you don't see very well because of the lighting. I apologize for that. But you see the jersey on the left, glove in the center, and pad on the right. Very nice piece of triple memorabilia. Probably, well, not probably, by far my I think that was my first Jacques Plante memorabilia actually, so pretty cool. And let's end up by the CnC stuff. You know, when they send it expedited that there's some value in the package. Just take that off. Oh, Christ. Alright. Let's rip that tape. And let's open it. Let's make sure I don't get rid of any redemptions. Alright. So basically, results from various group breaks, I would guess. We got from Crown Royale, number 9 of 10, the blue parallel of Eric Johnson. Then also, this one's a bronze parallel, 76 of 100, also of Eric Johnson. We got a rookie royalty signature, numbered 458 of 499, Robin Lehner. Not bad. We got a premiere date signatures. Got 2 of them. I think I have 3 of them. Yeah. So, premiere date signatures, number 67, redemption. And as you can see, I have 3. They're all for the same guy, Jason Spezza. Then I got a scratching the surface signatures of Chris Neal, very nice. Numbered 8 out of 100. We got a bronze parallel of Brian Elliott, 88 out of 100. Got an achievements of Daniel Alfredson, 35 out of 499. Then we got 2 rookie, 3. Yeah, I was very lucky with the collation in my breaks. 3 rookie royalty signatures, 1, 2, 3. Numbered 141 for Nick Bonino. Got a Corey Perry base parallel bronze, 18 out of 100. Timu Silani Lancers. This one's out of 250, 171 out of 250. We got a rookie royalty of Brendan McMillan out of 299. And we finish up with a Kyle Palmieri rookie royalty out of 499. That's it. And that's all. So that's what I had to show you today. Thanks for the look. Now I'll go dance. See ya later, guys.